Here we have a 2020 Toyota Highlander, and this is an all-wheel drive limited model. And this one comes in midnight black metal on harvest beige perforated leather seats. It has a 3.5 liter V6, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. There you've got your 20-inch aluminum wheels. Got passive keyless entry on the front two doors. Then you've got your memory seating, your power door locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Very pretty door panel here. And there you've got your auto high beams as part of your Toyota safety sense. Got your heated steering wheel, you can toggle that on and off. And then your power hatch here. And there you've got the power driver's seat with power lumbar support. And a nice steering wheel. We'll get back to that here in a moment. And this one has a luggage rack. You've got your sunshades here. So pretty good second row space from the captain's chairs back here. And the seat's actually really comfortable. And then here you've got automatic rear AC. So you can toggle the fan speed, or have it set to automatic. Then you've got two USB chargers here, along with a 3-prong household plug-in. Then there's a third row, but this one has an all-weather floor mat covering that up. But we'll go ahead and take a look at it. Get a good view of the rear end there. And then to fold these seats up, just pull up. A little heavy. And then to fold them back down, pull right here. Just fold it down. And then for your JBL sound system, you've got a speaker back here. And there's your power passenger seat. I'm going to check out the engine. And it's mostly covered up, but there's a 3.6 liter V6. Or 3.5 liter V6, I'm sorry. So from the gauge cluster, you can control it using these arrows over here. And you hit back, you can go back to the main screen there where you can toggle through all your main options. You've got volume controls here, Bluetooth controls, and over here as part of your Toyota Safety Sense, you've got your lane departure alert, your gap adjust for your radar cruise control, and then you've got your track list, which you could toggle through that as well, and then change between radio modes over here. You got a nice big screen for the navigation. And there's your backup camera. And then you've also got AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. And then you've also got Apple CarPlay as well. There's your home screen. And you've got dual zone automatic climate controls along with heated and cooled seats for both the driver and the passenger. So there's a quick look at that. And then here you have your shifter. And then you've also got where you can choose between sport, normal, or eco mode for driving. And then you've also got mud and sand, or you can go to rock and dirt for how your all-wheel drive will handle. And then you just push that to be in normal mode. You've got an electronic parking brake. Press down to disengage and pull up to engage. And then you've got your brake hold here. Just press that. Then you've got your snow mode. Toggle your auto stop, hill descent, traction control. There's your rear view mirror there with the garage door transmitter. Got a power sunroof. And you can tilt that or open it all the way. And there's a view of the rear seat. And I really like how they put a little pocket here to put papers or whatever, even a phone for your passenger. But then you've got your glove compartment here with all your owner's manuals. And then here's your key fob. Push button start. And then you've got your center console here that's got a wireless charging port. Just toggle that on and off. And then when it's not in use, fold that up, and you've got additional storage all the way down there. And now it's time to go ahead and take this Highlander out on the road for a test drive. Really good power pulling out of the parking lot. And I've got the radar cruise control on. And it's actually slowed me down to 45 to keep a safe distance between myself and the vehicles in front of me, even though I have the cruise set to 56. And even though this road is very rough, the Highlander is riding extremely smoothly and the road noise is at a minimum. And I really like how comfortable the seat is. So the eco mode, So the eco mode, I'm cruising at 45 miles per hour, and I'm getting upwards of 40 miles to the gallon on a flat surface. And for a 3-row SUV, that's really good. And the lane tracing assist on this Highlander is pretty nice. It doesn't necessarily ping you like a lot of the other lane keeping assists. This one just kind of keeps you in the straight line. And like the Teslas, it kind of asks you to touch the wheel every so often. Or it lets you know if it can't see a line. And that's the radar cruise control, keeping that distance. I'm gonna close the gap a little bit, and you'll see that it'll get closer to the vehicles in front of me. And for the most part, this lane tracing assist is also really good because the lines on this back road are not that visible, but it's still able to see them for the most part. Once again, the vehicle's stopping for me. Not touching the brake or the gas pedal. I'm gonna go ahead and take over now. And before we hop on the interstate, I'm gonna go ahead and put the vehicle in sport mode and test acceleration. Definitely not bad at all. And for this short period of time, the vehicle is basically driving itself. So really good use of this technology from Toyota. And one thing that I haven't mentioned yet, the brakes are very sturdy. Like how the vehicle brakes, how it drives in general, fits this car perfectly. And I really have no complaints about it. almost forgot it was raining. The car's been handling so well. And the all-wheel drive definitely helps with that. So definitely a great SUV from Toyota. That brings me to an end of our review of the 2020 Highlander Limited all-wheel drive.